Jamaica Olympic 100-meter hurdler Dionne Rose Henley is gravely ill after reportedly battling late-stage cancer. Rose Henley, who celebrated her 49th birthday last month, remains hospitalized in serious condition. As part of a crop of trailblazing female hurdlers, which included the likes of Deloreen Ennis London, Vonette Dixon, and Gillian Russell, Rose Henley represented Jamaica at the 1992 Olympic Games in Barcelona, where she made the semi-finals before reaching the final 4 years later in Atlanta. The hurdler placed 5th in that final. Rose Henley, a two-time national champion, then went on to represent the country at the 1995, 1997, and 1999, 2001 World Championship and twice claimed gold at the CAC Games. The athlete was part of a 1-2 finish ahead of Russell at the 1998 Games in Venezuela, before claiming the title again in El Salvador 2002. After retiring from the sport, Rose Henley took up coaching at her alma mater, Tennessee State University, for 2 seasons before moving to Tennessee State University. She then journeyed to Central Michigan, where she spent 7 years. Last summer, Rose Henley was named Coastal Carolina Assistant Track and Field Coach, where she focused on the sprint hurdles and relays. So, my viewers and my subscribers, as you can see, this is a really sad story, I understand, because this is Dionne Rose Henley, you understand, and she is a former Olympian who represented Jamaica, and as you can see, she has been with Jamaica representing from 1992 until 2002, so you can see that's like 10 years she been doing this and to make her country proud, you understand, and now to learn that she's in this condition, which we know cancer is a killer, cancer is a dangerous one, and you know, we're just praying for Rose Henley and Newlink Production and the team, you understand, we just keep on sending our prayers to her. She's seriously ill, as I can see this article said, and you know, we just hope and pray our best. I know many people may say they never know her, they don't hear of her, you understand, because she's not the big name like Shelley and Fraser Price, Usain Bolt, and all of those big names, you know, who win those lots of Olympian medals and World Championship medals, but at least she been representing Jamaica for 10 years and making her country proud out there. So we just have to show her love and appreciation to her and for the contribution that she has done for Jamaica. So my viewers and my subscribers from Newlink Production and the team, just asking everyone to just please pray for her and let God see her through. Viewers and subscribers, you don't know, this is Newlink from Newlink Production. Now we say what?